So now we're going to talk about how we can incorporate AI to practice some prompts and to align your presence with the message that you're trying to convey. So now what happens? You know, you said something powerful but it didn't land. You nailed the content, the words were clear, but somehow the room fell flat and people did not buy in to what you're saying. You know, that silent danger of misaligned presence, when your body, face, tone, and energy don't match the importance of your words, people doubt your sincerity and your credibility. This misalignment isn't always obvious, it hides in your tone, your micro expressions, your lack of gestures. And without feedback, it is nearly impossible to fix it alone. So now with AI into the picture, you have a full 24/7 personal coach who's going to give you feedback. You can, upload your videos, you can ask questions to AI and, work on them. But, if you are using ChatGPT, you can rehearse and refine your presence, not just your pitch. In this lesson, what we'll do is we'll give you some ready to use prompts, okay, that will allow you to self access, align your non-verbal presence with your message. Whether you are inspiring your team, delivering a bad news, or leading a negotiation. So we're going to give you some prompts. You can use them as it is, or if you want, you can make some tweak and changes as per your requirement. So let us start with prompt number 1. So this is about your introductions. Like supposedly if you are introducing yourself first time to a team member, or you are going for a meetup, it is about confidence check-in for introduction. So what the prompt is that, you can copy this prompt. It says that I'll just read it out for you. I'm about to introduce myself to a team for the first time. I want to come across as confident and credible. Ask me questions and analyze how confident I sound based on my posture, tone, energy, and description. So now what you're going to do is you're going to use this before the presentations or any team meetings that you have. Okay? And you can see what response does the AI give you. Now, one more thing I want to add here is that if you are new to AI, you do not know how to use ChatGPT, we have a course that's there on Udemy itself, where we are talking about how to log in, what versions you have to use, how do you put a prompt, how does a ChatGPT page actually look like, and how does it work. So if you are a beginner and you are interested in learning AI, ChatGPT, you can go ahead and you can view that course. It's a very short, very basic. If you are on social media, you know how to use social media, you know how to use Google, you can easily go through that course and you can understand how ChatGPT works. Anyways, even if you are using the pro version of ChatGPT, you do not have to be a technical person. So basically ChatGPT has two versions. One is a free version and one is a paid version. To start with, you can use the free version, and more details on ChatGPT, you can please go and search for the program, which is the beginner's guide we have for ChatGPT. You can go through the course. It's going to tell you how to log in, it's going to tell you how to use a prompt, and little details that's going to help you. So now when you put this prompt, coming back to this lesson, when you put this prompt, this is for a basic introduction session if you are planning for a meeting or a presentation. Now we're going to talk about prompt 2, where you role play a difficult conversation. What you do is you act like you've given a prompt like this, the inverted commas, but then I'll tell you something. When you are giving a prompt to ChatGPT, inverted comma is not required. We have put this in so that you understand that this is the start and the end of the prompt. Okay? Act like my employee. I am going to give you feedback about missing deadlines. After each sentence, tell me how my tone, body language, as I describe it, impacts your trust or reaction. For example, if you are breaking a news to the employee that if you do not achieve your target this quarter, we will have to put you on PIP, right? So this is the conversation that you are planning to have with your employee. So you put in that prompt. First you put in this prompt that act like my employee. I'm going to give you a feedback about this and this, and tell me how my tone, body and language is going to impact the reaction or the trust. So now what happens here is that once you put in this prompt, you have to wait for the response that you get from the AI. It is going to give you some tips and tricks and how you can break the news to the employee. Once you get those, you can put in what message are you trying to give to the employee. Now supposedly, as I said, you are trying to tell the employee that if you miss your targets during this quarter, you will have to be put on PIP. So you can put that in. AI will give you a result where it is going to talk about your stance, your posture, how should your eyes look like, what should your tone be, and that is how you can incorporate when you are actually into that situation. Also, if you are willing to, and if you really want, we can do a live session on this also, where we put in the prompts and we see how does it work for this particular lesson. Just drop in your comments and let us know if you really want us to go ahead and do some live session on that. Now we're going to talk about prompt 3. So it starts with you. So this is basically when you are in a investor meeting. You can put in a prompt like, you are an investor, I am going to pitch my product, evaluate my voice, posture and gestures as described, and tell me if my non-verbal communication builds confidence or doubt. So this is perfect for entrepreneurs and sales leaders. If this particular section looks a little confusing to you because you've not been too much into ChatGPT and AI, you can go ahead and see how does the AI ChatGPT work. Also, if you need more help, more information, this looks a little confused to you, please feel free to drop in a comment that you are looking forward to the live session. We will arrange that for you. Now the prompt 4, but people who use AI, they know what are we talking about. Prompt 4 is that mirror back the energy. The prompt is, I will describe how I am delivering a message. You mirror back the emotional tone it's likely projecting. It has to be confident, rushed, unsure, sincere, etc. So it's going to help you raise about the empathy, the feeling and everything that's going to come across with your presentation. Next, prompt 5, expression mismatch exercise. I want to sound warm, encouraging while giving instructions. I'll describe my face, gestures, tones and pacing. Tell me if it matches that instant and what to adjust. So now this is the prompt, and you can go ahead and put in like your what message are you trying to convey, and then ChatGPT is going to give you a response that what should your eyes look like, how should you make eye contact. It is also going to give you a script that you can use when you are talking to that particular person, or you are giving an instruction to the team. It's going to tell you how to start your conversation, how to end your conversation, how to make an eye contact, how should you move your hand, how should your shoulders look like, how should your you should be smiling, or what kind of a look should you have on your face. It's going to give you all the pointers. Go ahead and try. If you already have an account, go ahead and put in the prompts and see what result do you get. And also, if you have any confusion, anything that you need more clarity on, or if you think this is we need to add more details, we need to give you more of the live demo on the prompt on this particular section, please let us know in the comments. We will try our best to give you the best, we're going to help you in the best way possible for this. Now there's a bonus tip here. What you can do is you can use voice notes or video recordings to practice. Now if you are using the Pro Plus version, you can record a video. You can put in the video into ChatGPT, and then you can ask your questions. Now supposedly if you have a sales meeting, okay, and you have to break that news to the particular employee that after this quarter, if you do not achieve your target, we have to put you on PIP. So it is a sad message, and of course it is a little it's going to be alarming for that particular employee, but then you also have to sound motivating. You have to motivate that employee that you can do it. So you just record a video, whatever script you think is correct or whatever you're planning to say to that person, record that video, upload it on AI, and you can get the feedback. And you can put a prompt like this, here's how I looked and sounded, what message does that send, how can I improve the presence alignment. So once you upload your video, put this prompt, then you can see what is AI saying about your about your posture and your tone. So let AI be your silent coach. It's objective, 24/7, never judgmental. Also, if you do not want to upload a video, you can if you supposedly you're going to have a phone call with that particular employee. This is just an example that we're talking about. So you can just record your voice recording. You can put it on AI. You can upload that particular voice recording on AI, and then you can ask that, can you assess and let me know, and just put in this prompt. Here's how I sounded. What message does this send? How can I improve my presence and alignment, or what more can I add? We have lot of other courses where we've spoken about the live and the live demo of the usage of AI. That is there on the on Udemy. You can just go ahead and check. But in case if you want anything else, anything in particular, please free to drop in comments, and we will try our best to give you the best guidance possible. So remember this, people don't just hear your message, they feel your message, of course, through your presence. The best leaders align their verbal content with their non-verbal delivery, and AI can help you practice until it becomes second in nature. So your action for today is pick one of the above any AI prompts which may be relevant to you in your current scenario. Spend 10 minutes doing the exercise, then write down one thing you'll change next when you speak. So it is all about practicing with AI now. So now we will also discuss in the next lesson about expressive communication techniques, on how small non-verbal tweaks can make you instantly more engaging and respected. So you are leveling up fast. Let's keep doing this. If you have a ChatGPT account, open it simultaneously on a different tab, put in the prompt, see what results are you getting. If you need any help on AI, please come back to us, write it in the comment, and we will guide you through that.